Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm just going to do a short video looking at a new patch cable that I got from Amazon. I decided to buy a Cat7 Ethernet patch cable. Now, the reason why I actually bought this cable in the first place was I was having some issues with my download speeds on my Xbox. For some reason my download speed wouldn't go above about 80 or 90 megabits per second, even though my broadband should give me a minimum speed of about 200 megabits per second. So I headed over to the Amazon website and purchased this Ethernet patch cable. You can see on the website that they do various different sizes of cables. I bought the smallest, which was the 0.9 metres. That only cost me £4.99. So price wise the cable is very reasonable. The cable I'm currently using at the moment is a very old Cat5 cable. And Cat5 cables can only support speeds up to 100 megabits per second. So the new Cat7 cable that I purchased should support speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. So I should see some improvement in my download speeds. So the cable comes in just a plain brown box, typical Amazon box, nothing fancy about it. So inside we've got one cable, no instructions. We don't need any instructions, it's a basic cable, so no instructions required. So that's the box, get rid of that, don't need the box. So here's the cable. Like I said, it was a 0.9 metre, it wasn't too long. I'll just get this unravelled. The first thing I noticed about the cable is quite stiff, quite rigid. Not like the old Cat5 cable had, that was quite flexible. This is quite a solid, feels well made. Taking a closer look at the actual connector itself, you can see it's branded the Amazon Basics logo on it. You can also see how well it's constructed. It's just a standard RJ45 connector, so nothing special to look at. Turn it over, have a look at the back side, and it's got the gold plating, which obviously is supposed to cut down interference and improve connectivity. Not quite sure how true those claims are, but it's got it anyway. So it looks okay for connector wise, that's quite good quality. Okay, so I've switched my Xbox on. I'm going into settings and I'm going to check my network speeds with the old Cat5 cable in place. So I haven't put the new cable in yet. I want to just double check the speeds I'm getting with the old cable. So let me run this test. This will only take 2 minutes. I'll just fast forward here for you. Okay, so we see the download speed is just under 92 megabits per second. This is with the old Cat5 cable still in place, remember? And latest is 43 milliseconds. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to run that test again just to double check those results. And we'll see what results we get again. Again, it should be roughly within the same ballpark, I think. Don't forget, again, this is with the old Cat5 cable. Okay, so this is the second time I've run the test now, and roughly the same speed again, about 92 megabits per second. And the latency has dropped a bit to 35 milliseconds. So we're getting roughly about 92. So we'll confirm that with the old Cat5 cable. So now I'm going to switch over to the new cable, retest it and see if we get any improvement in speeds. Fingers crossed. So I've replaced the cable to the new Cat7 cable, I've rebooted my Xbox, now I'm going to go back into settings. Again I'm going to test the network speeds. So I'll just select this option down here, test network speed and statistics. Again, this will take a few minutes, so what I'll do is I'll skip forward to this part of the video. Okay, so test done. So wow, look at that. So download speed has improved from about 92 megabits per second to 290 megabits per second. So quite a vast improvement there. Just looking at the upload speed, packet loss, latency is roughly the same, 31 milliseconds. So what I'll do is I'll run that test again just to double check it, and we'll see what results we get for the second time. So again, into test network speed and statistics. Again, I'll skip forward this part of the video. So, second test done, and look at that. We're actually just over 300 megabits per second download speed. Upload speed will stay the same, that's okay. But that is quite an improvement from 92 megabits per second to over 300 megabits per second. So I would say that test has been a success. Very happy with that. So this particular cable from Amazon, the Cat7 network cable, would I recommend it? Definitely would. I mean, for £5, I don't think it can go wrong. It's quite well made, good construction, and as you can see, it helped boost my network speeds quite considerably. It's going to be plugged into my Xbox and into my router, so I'm not going to move it, so I don't foresee any damage or how it's going to get broken anyway. So I'm definitely happy with that. Like I say, for the money, you can't go wrong. So I definitely recommend it. So in conclusion, would I give it a thumbs up? Yes, definitely a thumbs up for the Amazon Ethernet cable.